Welcome to BikeLegend Pro, where we bring you the stories of legendary machines that shaped automotive history. Today, we dive into the Hindustan Ambassador Classic, a car that continues to symbolize India's motoring heritage. The legacy of the Ambassador. The Hindustan Ambassador is often referred to as the king of Indian roads. Introduced in the mid-20th century, it became the official choice for politicians, government officials, and countless families. The Classic Edition, in particular, carried forward the car's legacy with a refined touch. Its timeless design and unmatched road presence made it more than just a car, it became a cultural icon. Exterior design and style. The Ambassador Classic retained the rounded, vintage-inspired silhouette that made the model instantly recognizable. Its large chrome grille, bold bumpers, and curvaceous fenders gave it an aura of authority and elegance. The Classic trim refined the look with better finishes, cleaner lines, and distinctive badging. Its proportions conveyed strength while maintaining a simple, graceful charm that made it stand out in every decade. Interior comfort and practicality. Step inside the Ambassador Classic, and you are welcomed by spaciousness, a true luxury in its era. Wide, cushioned seats provided sofa-like comfort, while the tall roofline ensured ample headroom. The dashboard was functional yet carried a nostalgic charm with classic dials and switches. This car was never about flashy features, instead, it emphasized durability and practicality. For many Indian families, the Ambassador Classic was more than a car, it was a second home on wheels. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Ambassador Classic came with various engine options over the years, including petrol and diesel units. While it was not designed for speed, its focus was on reliability and endurance. The sturdy suspension allowed it to handle India's challenging road conditions with ease, making it a dependable workhorse. Drivers appreciated its commanding driving position and the feeling of strength behind the wheel. Cultural impact and popularity. The Hindustan Ambassador Classic wasn't just a vehicle, it was a statement. From being the pride of government convoys to serving as a dependable family car and even a trusted taxi, it left an imprint on every sector of Indian life. Its image in films, advertisements, and daily life cemented its role as a symbol of authority, prestige, and nostalgia.